Ever wondered what you would need to survive in the wilderness? It's an unpredictable world out there, full of surprises both pleasant and perilous. One thing's for sure, being prepared is crucial. Stay tuned as we reveal the 10 essential items for your wilderness survival kit. Survival in the wilderness hinges on preparedness, and these are the items you can't afford to forget. Each one could mean the difference between a triumphant return or a dire situation. They're not just accessories, they're lifelines. So without further ado, here are the 10 essential items for your wilderness survival kit. First on our list, a compass and a map. These are your lifelines to finding your way in the wilderness. They help you navigate unfamiliar terrain and can guide you back to safety when you're lost. Remember, even the most experienced explorers can lose their bearings. Next, we have the fire starter. A spark can mean the difference between a cold, miserable night and a warm, comfortable one. It's not just about comfort though. Fire can ward off predators, melt snow for drinking water, and cook your food. Then, there's the first aid kit. In the wilderness, even a minor injury can become a major problem if not treated immediately. A well-equipped first aid kit can address wounds, burns, sprains, and other common injuries. Our fourth item is a multi-tool. This handy device combines several tools in one compact package. It can help you repair gear, prepare food, and perform countless other tasks. Moving on, we have a water purifier. Clean drinking water is a must in the wilderness. A water purifier can remove harmful bacteria and viruses from water sources, making it safe to drink. Next up, an emergency shelter. This can be a tent, a bivy sack, or even a large, sturdy trash bag. It can protect you from harsh weather conditions and provide a safe place to rest. Our seventh item is a flashlight. This can help you navigate in the dark, signal for help, and even ward off predators. Next, we have food and water. Always pack enough for at least 3 days. High-energy, non-perishable foods are best, and remember, you can never have too much water. Coming in at number 9, weather-appropriate clothing. Dress in layers and always pack for the worst-case scenario. This includes rain gear, warm clothing, and sun protection. Last, but certainly not least, a signal mirror. This can be used to signal aircraft or rescuers from a distance. It's a simple tool, but it could save your life. And there you have it, the 10 essential items you need to survive in the wilderness. To recap, survival in the wilderness is about preparedness, and these 10 items can make a difference. A reliable fire starter, a sturdy knife, a versatile multi-tool, a robust water filter, a durable tarp, a high-quality first aid kit, a reliable flashlight, a navigational compass, a high-energy food bar, and a strong rope. Each of these items has its unique role in ensuring your survival and safety. Remember, the wilderness can be unpredictable, but with the right tools, you can be prepared for anything. Stay safe out there.